What is up, guys? Welcome back to another Instagram tutorial. My name is Wommack. Merry Christmas to everyone who is celebrating today. Now, the last 23 days, we really managed to create 23 videos for you guys. And today, as I said, a special announcement. I want to send a huge thank you to you guys for supporting me, for showing me love this year. We have over 100,000 subscribers on this channel, which is absolutely crazy to me, starting at 20,000 in January. So thank you so much for the support that you're showing to this channel. And as a thank you, I created this free pack for you guys. It has 10 free overlays that will really make your pictures look like film, your mobile photography super more interesting. It's that film burns and dust pack, a lot of those overlays that I use for my professional images as well. And I just wanted to share these with you for free as a huge thank you and a Merry Christmas from my side. Now you can find this on my website. The link is under this video. Is 100% free, so make sure to check that out to really create those artistic looking film vibes. And while you're at it, I also have a huge preset pack on that website, link also under this video. It's that all presets pack with over 150 presets that you could just easily paste to every one of your pictures to make them look great. Most of you guys already have the all presets pack because the cool thing about it is that it's updated on a weekly basis. So every time I create new presets on this channel, they're automatically in the all presets pack. So make sure to check that out as well. And of course, if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to this channel, hit the notifications bell to not miss out on any of my future videos. And if there's anything you need or any questions you have also regarding this pack maybe, or just photography, mobile photography in general, always feel free to DM me on Instagram. @StevenWommack is my handle, and I'm always open for conversation and really excited to hear from you guys. Now, I've said enough. Let me show you how to use this amazing film burns and dusts pack that I made for you. So the first thing is we go to the website and we download it. You will have 10 different overlay files, 5 burns, 5 dusts, to really upgrade your images. So once we have downloaded that, these pictures will need to be unzipped, and then they're in your gallery on your smartphone. Once they're in your gallery, we can work with them in the free over app. So we open the free over app right now. Then we hit the black plus down here, and now you want to choose the image on the upper left side, and now just choose the picture that you want to start off with. Now in this case, let's try some with this Travis Scott picture right here. So once this picture is uploaded, we hit the check mark on the upper right side. And now what you want to do is hit image on the bottom left again. Now go to all photos right here. And now recent. Now you can see the overlays from the pack right here in your gallery. So maybe we want to start with a light leak right here, or a film burn. So we click that, and now we can see it's added on top of the picture. We just make sure to resize it so that it covers the whole image. And now down here we can scroll over to where it says blend, and then we want to scroll to screen right here, and you can already see that really artistic film look, and actually really realistic film look. And if you want to turn that down a notch, you can also try lighten this mode, but I really like the screen mode. And then we go over here to where it says opacity, and now you can just pull this down, and you can just enhance or just decrease the effect as much as you like. I really like it a lot, so I'll leave it at 100%, and I'll hit the check mark on the upper right side, and now you can export it. Now in the pack, there's 5 different film burns that you could just play around with. You could also take them, turn them the other way around like this to just kind of get a little bit of variation in there. But also in the pack, there are dust overlays, which I use a lot on my even professional photography to really give it that little hint of film look. So I'll show you how to use that right now as well. So once again, we open the over app, hit plus down here, hit image again, and now I'm going to choose this picture that I took of a Spanish model. And then on the upper right side, check mark again. And now on the bottom left, we can go to all photos again right there, and go to recent. And now you can see those dusts, scratches, textures right here. So we click that, open it, and now it's dragged on top of this image here. So we can resize it as we like. And now down here again, go to blend on the right side, and now to screen right here, and you can really see that dust already added onto the picture now, and it's really cool. Now what I like to do here is really turn it down a little, so pull the opacity down. See on the bottom left side the jacket, how those scratches appear and disappear. I really don't want to over exaggerate this one, make it really subtle. So right here is cool for me, and then I hit the check mark and I'm done. And now this is it, guys. Here are some different variations before and afters of these effects. So once again, it's that free film burns and dust pack. Link is under this video. As a thank you to you guys, I just wanted to share this with you for hitting 100,000 subscribers on this channel this year, and also a little Merry Christmas from my side. Thank you so much for the support, the love. Make sure to check it out. Also, I've created that all presets pack for you guys. Most of you might already know it. It's a huge presets pack with now over 150 presets, and it's growing on a weekly basis. So once you have it, you will be getting new presets every week. It's a great deal. Make sure to check it out. Link is also under this video. And of course, if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to this channel. Hit the notifications bell. Let me know what you think about this free film burns and dust pack that I made for you. Maybe comment under this video, or you can always reach out to me on Instagram. @StevenWommack is my handle. Now, thanks so much for watching. I hope I'll see you in the next video. Enjoy your Christmas if you're celebrating it today, and I'll see you in the next one. Till then, stay creative, stay healthy, peace.